Yes, my dear students, I will again come to your channels, to your channel. That means our channels, UPSC Study by Ajay Misra. So I will discuss, and after this video I will upload the regarding remaining part of the chemical balancing, chemical equation. I will upload everything. First of all, you have to know what is the name of the chemical name and a nickname. So you have to, this is a very important topic, and 1 or 2 marks in any exam. If you appear, you can got the marks. That's why it's a very important. First one is called alum. Alum, that is a fitkiri. But if you washing, when you go to the salon, you can use the K2. So alum formula is K2SO4 Al2SO3 whole 3 24H2O. You have to remember. Second one, white vitriol, that means ZnSO4. Zn means zinc sulfate, 7H2O. Third one is green vitriol, F2SO4, ferric sulfate, 7H2O. Fourth one, blue vitriol, CuSO4, 5H2O. Salt, common salt, table salt, these are the same name. Salt. So we have to solve which type of salt we have to eat. Iodine salt. Remember it. So question is asked, iodine salt. So NaCl. Sodium chloride. Sixth one is caustic potash, and I have written here caustic soda. So remember, you can confuse caustic potash KOH. That means potassium hydroxide is known as caustic potash, and sodium hydroxide is known as caustic soda. Next one, slag lime. CaOH whole 2. Calcium hydroxide, calcium valency 2, hydrox valency 1. Exchange after this is a compound make. So how is compound is making? So I have also discussing at the same time. So you have to understand. Next, quicklime, that is CO. Ninth one, limestone, CaCO3, that is chalk, marble, sungmarble as well as you can say. And next one, 10th one, plaster of Paris, CaSO4 half F2O. If you react H2O, then gypsum, it will become gypsum. You have to understand this. If H2O, 2H2O if you add, then gypsum. So plaster of Paris, CaSO4 half H2O. Washing soda is a very sodium carbonate is known as washing soda. That is also called Dhowan soda. Baking soda, NaHCO3. Remember, memorize NaHCO3. Bleaching powder, it is used everywhere. Bleaching powder, so killing our insects. So that's why bleaching powder is so important. So CaOCl2. Caustic soda I have already discussed, that is called sodium hydroxide. Next one, hydrogen peroxide. Water is H2O. You know H2O is a water, but hydrogen peroxide H2O2. Acetic acid, that is vinegar, also known as CH3COH. Carbonic acid is been confused many times, H2CO3. And KMnO4, potassium permanganate. K, that is the symbol of the potassium. So you can say potassium permanganate. And next one is ethanol. Ethanol is used also the alcoholic things, that is the C2H5OH. And next one, sugar. This is the last one. Sugar or sucrose, the same name, C12H22O11. So I hope you like this video and share and subscribe. And next video you can learn the chemical balancing, chemical equations, how can the numericals, how can we solve. So you have to remember first. And in my video also it is given electronic configurations, element 1 to 30, how you periodic table also discuss. So you watch this video, in my playlist is given science. So after, if you watch and after this video, you will be learn more and more. So I hope you can learn from this video, and next video when I upload, so you can learn 4 and 5 marks, and this is the base of the chemistry. That is the it is useful as well as CBSE of any board and any exam. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.